Yes, good morning. Two new members have joined the alliance in the last couple of years. And maybe most importantly, also thanks to American leadership, Ukraine has prevailed and Russia has not won. And obviously we have to do more to make sure that Ukraine can stay in the fight and is able to roll back as much as possible the Russian onslaught and to prevent Putin from being successful in Ukraine. Yes, good morning, and I really would like to welcome Tony Blinken. I'm so happy that you're here.
We had a very productive discussion today about our ongoing support for Ukraine in the face of an ongoing Russian aggression. As well, this added element now of DPRK, North Korean forces, injected into the battle, and now quite literally in combat, which demands and will get a firm response. We see increasingly the indivisibility of security between and among these different theaters, the Euro-Atlantic theater, the Indo-Pacific theater, the Middle East, and it's critical that we find ways to work ever more closely together. One of the things that NATO's done in recent years is to strengthen its partnership with Indo-Pacific partners, and we'll do more of that in the weeks and months ahead. We have a very intense and important agenda over the next couple of months, and as I said to the Secretary General, President Biden fully intends to drive through the tape and use every day to continue to do what we've done over these last 4 years, which is strengthen this alliance that's so critical to the security of the United States, the security of countries throughout Europe, and we will do that. And as well, to continue to shore up everything we're doing for Ukraine to make sure that it can effectively defend itself against this Russian aggression. Thanks very much. Mark?
Thank you.